this video, I'm going to show you how to make this card using the Birthday Bonanza Suite. So here's the card and the supplies. It uses the Birthday Bonanza Suite, which includes this stamp set, Bonanza Buddies, and you can see there's a koala and a lion and a toucan, and there's dies to cut those out, as well as some extra banner dies and a tag die that we're going to use on this card. It also includes this designer series paper, which is really fun because it's always double-sided, as well as this Daffodil Delight crinkled ribbon, which I really love, and a set of pom-poms. So here's my little pom-pom. So I'm going to put this up here, so hopefully I don't lose that. But I'm going to go ahead and adhere down. Let's see, should I do this side or should I do this side? I'm going to try that side. I'll just do the same side. That's what's so fun about the designer series papers. You can choose either side. The other fun thing about this designer series paper is there are koalas, lions, and toucans that you can cut out of the designer series paper using the dies. So that's super fun. So I've got my presents, my toucan, my hat, and the banner we can adhere down now. I'm going to do Calypso Coral banner this time. And oops, I need to adhere this down first. This is Coastal Cabana cut out with the stitched rectangle dies, and I'm just going to put it askew and then put this here in the corner. I only did 3, but this time I think I want to do 4. And then I'll just trim off the ends. And then I will stamp on the white tag. Glad it's your birthday, so I can tell you how wonderful you are. Does anybody have birthdays this month? In April? Oops, that is too big for the hat, so I will use mini dimensionals for the hat. And then I will use a glue dot for the tiny little pom-pom. And I will place it right on top. Super cute. So now I can put the card together. Let's put this one straight down. And I'll add the toucan. And the hat. Little party hat. And I'll add the presents. And then I'll add a little bit of ribbon. So I'm going to gently tuck it in. And then I'm going to stick it through my loop here. Got to do it gently because last time I ripped it. So there we go. We've got some ribbon. We can trim this one this way. And that one that way. And there we have our toucan card. Thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget to check out my website, elainescreations.net, and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks, and I'll see you next time. Bye.